Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review PURO Vitality Boost. PURO Vitality Boost is a health supplement made to increase daily energy and support overall wellness. It combines natural ingredients like vitamins, minerals, and herbal extract that aim to fight tiredness. Many users say it gives them a gentle lift in energy without the crash you might feel from coffee or energy drinks. Some also notice better focus and motivation after using it regularly. It is designed to help the body stay active and reduce feelings of fatigue. People who take it in the morning often feel more productive throughout the day. The supplement is also said to support the immune system thanks to its mix of nutrients. A few users report improved mood and less stress while using it. The capsules are easy to take and fit well into a daily routine. Some see results within a few days, while others notice changes after a couple of weeks. Like any supplements, effects can differ depending on the person's lifestyle and health. It is marketed as natural and safe with no strong side effect from most users. Still, it may not work the same for everybody. Overall, PURO Vitality Boost is seen as a helpful option for those wanting steady energy and wellness support. Many people consider it as a natural way to feel more active and refreshed. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.